Hi guys, welcome to this video about how you can solve the problem when you run into error messages when updating Sandboxie. Here we have the Sandboxie 5.28 64-bit setup, but probably will happen every time you update Sandboxie because it has to close some tasks. I've already been closing all the browsers because I thought it's because of the browsers, but it was not the browsers. I mean, when I've closed all the browser tasks, and when I click on OK, it will check for the tasks if they're still running, the tasks which are causing a problem, and they always come back. So what can you do regarding that? The problem is actually that we can't solve it from here. It would be nice to have a button to kill this task, but it says just cancel, and then it will probably cancel the update, or I can say okay, and then he tries again, but nothing happens. So how to find out which task this is? And so we press the Windows key and type task manager or just task, click on that, and we get to the task manager, but here we don't find this number. So what can we do? We go to details and click on PID so that it is in this order, and now we can select the we can try to find 62160. So let's see if we find that. We don't find it here. I don't know why. Hold on a second. So for some reason the system decided to close the needed tasks, or that was really the Sandboxie. I have no clue. Maybe just by chance. I have really no idea what happened. But if you need to close such a task, then make sure that it's not something really important of your system, otherwise it will crash. I mean, you can always restart, and it's nothing which you will delete. It's just, I mean, it's a running task in your system. It's just in your memory. It's not when you kill something like that, it's just it's your memory. It's not on the hard disk. But to kill something like, I mean, the Chrome browser which is used, you have to take it down for at least some of the updates. You right click on that, and I don't know why it's not working. I guess I have to make this thing a little bit bigger. Yeah, now it works. Okay, right click here on the task which you want to end, and then click on end task. Of course, I'm not doing this, especially not on the Chrome browser, because I have a lot of open tasks. But just click, then left click. First right click here, and then left click on the end task, and it should close your task. Sometimes you have to use end process tree if there are a lot of tasks, stacked tasks. But after that you should be able to update the Sandboxie or any other program after you ended these tasks. So it's definitely important not to use the processes tab in the task manager. You have to use the detail tab, and then click on PID, put it in a order by number, and then you can find your number easily and then end the task. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.